So if someone asks me, what is a cleaning product that you use on a regular basis? My answer would always be, the Ajax with bleach. I think Ajax with bleach is really effective when I'm doing cleaning around the house. It says at the top, stronger than dirt, and I have to say that this powder cleanser is very strong when it comes to attacking dirt and grime in different areas of the home. Now, on a regular, I tend to use the Ajax with bleach in the bathroom, on the floors, on the tiles, on the countertops, surfaces. I use it in the sink and in the tub. I use it to clean the toilet as well, outside and inside. And so it has a number of purposes in this one product. This is about 14 ounces, which is about 396 grams of product. It is just good at really getting rid of those tough dirt stains out of different areas of the home. And so me personally, I have to always have this inside of the house. Now, I did try the Comet with bleach, and I didn't really have a good experience using that. It is weak when it comes to cleaning compared to this Ajax with bleach. I don't know, some people like the Comet powder with bleach, but I really don't like it at all. I don't think it's a good cleaning product. I wouldn't even put the Ajax with bleach and the Comet with bleach on the same level, because the Ajax with bleach just exceeds the Comet cleaning powder. When I use this powder in the tub, I like how it rinses out easily. It's not a hassle when it comes to rinsing this powder cleanser out of the tub. And after using it, I do notice how this always gives different areas of the bathroom a nice shine. I didn't really experience that using the Comet with bleach powder cleanser. Now, the only thing I don't like about the Ajax with bleach is that it is pretty strong when it comes to the smell. And so you want to be careful when it comes to inhaling those fumes, okay? Because it has bleach, it does have a strong pungent odor. And we all know that bleach is very toxic. So you want to be careful when it comes to inhaling these fumes. This Ajax with bleach, it sanitizes, it disinfects. And so when you use the Ajax with bleach, it's doing a number of things in one product. If you're interested in this product, I will leave that information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review.